Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then select Manage SIM. This will automatically show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and it will also deselect contacts that have already been imported to the device, or maybe you just created a new contact, but it will detect that it has the same name or number, and it will block it. As you can see, even if you try to toggle it on, it gives you that message that the contact already exists. Now, you can also see that by default, the device is trying to import contacts to the Google account, but this is a drop-down menu, and we can change it, for instance, to the device. When I do so, you can see that the contact now becomes selected, as this contact doesn't exist on the device itself. And if you don't see this a little field right here at all, that means that you're just not logged into Google account, and that only leaves you with the device as an option, which it just doesn't give you anything visible here, as there's nothing for you to change. Anyway, from here, I'm gonna select import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should be seeing them right here. Now, depending also where you have imported them to, you might need to switch the display location. I did import them to the device, so I can click right here where I have the H, and I can select phone, and this will show me all the imported contacts. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.